So next it's the oil catch can that's provided. We've got it in and out section just here. Comes in a little packet. Simple as screw them in. Just about here, you got the little bracket that the original fits on. So then what we want to do is pop this down here. Okay, so now it's just taking this intake pipe off with all these little pipes here. So these are just literally squeeze this little thing. Through the intake pipe itself, which is just down there. There's also this pipe here, which again is a squeezy clip, which puts on the bolt. Easy as that. Now I want to get rid of this one, which right down there there's a clip right here that we need to get off. Basically we need to push this down and prise it out at the same time. Like so. Now we need a T30 top right hand corner of the map. So now we want this little thing, go here, like so. So we'll plug it in, like that, and this needs to sit here, like so. And then we're getting the tube over here. This little one, so on here. The cross. So this guy, down there, and there. Right, so now we need to put the mask back on. So when doing that, make sure the airflow is that way. It is here. And now we want this plug to come back here. So we need to cut across this wire here. Finally, the intake air filter. Let's move this out of the way. So next we want to get this pipe off down here to connect it down to the catch can down there. So now we have the pipe off of here. I'm going to put one of these in there. So now adding this pipe to the top section here. There we have that blue point on the turbo to this one, and this over there, through to here. But first we'll fit the heat shield. So we've got the first heat shield here with the holes in. What we want to do is undo that T30 with this bolt here. So what we've done is we've ran up there from the quad through that hole up into the reducer, and then from up there and all the way across into the hole, down into the 3, and just up there is where you want to bolt it onto your brake reservoir. And then down here there's this little nipple which you can put a bolt on the end, keep it from flapping about. So now we've got the big heat shield to go on top over here. What you want to do is pull your little scuttle panel up, and there's a 10mm bolt just above your battery. Undo that, put it into there, and there we go, look, nice and easy. Just one bolt up there, and there we have it.